Well, it's time for Dog Days, where I showcase local places you can bring your pup. This week, I went across the water to Sandy Bottom Bark Park in Hampton. Bottom is an easy nature preserve to get to with ample parking and ample things to do, including taking your pup to their 3/4-acre off-leash dog park. You get good views of the lake while your dog gets to practically roam free in the woods. The base is all dirt covered in pine needles. Finding a shade spot is never an issue with the several pine trees around, and if your dog still needs to cool down, there's a water fountain available. To burn energy faster, dog toys are laying around, and there's an agility staircase to use. However, if you're looking to train your pup here, know that treats are not allowed. Children under 12 years old are also not allowed, and dogs must be registered before entering. You can register in the Nature Center during normal business hours, Monday through Friday. Bring your dog's city registration tag and proof of up-to-date rabies, parvo, bordetella, and distemper vaccines. All that plus $10 a year will get your dog into this dog park and the Ridgeway Dog Park, which I'll feature in a couple weeks. So overall, I give this park a 4 out of 5 paws. Accessibility gets a 3 out of 5. It's easy to get to, but the dog park itself does have a lot of tree roots that could create tripping hazards, and kids under 12 aren't allowed. Activities, that gets a 5 out of 5. They had toys, sticks, and a small agility ramp available. Cost is a 3 out of 5. It's not expensive, but you do still have to pay and register for it. The lot size, that gets a 4 out of 5. There's ample space to run, but there's no dog size separation. And cleanliness, that's a 5 out of 5. Surprisingly, I did not find any poop around, but that's probably because they did have a lot of bags and trash cans inside the park. Visual appeal, I'll give that a 5 out of 5. If you want to escape from the city, this is definitely the place to do it. There's lots of great nature, sights, and sounds around. And there's a lot of other activities to enjoy too. Just don't forget that your dog must be registered before you go inside the dog park portion.